If you want to create a template for 2.5-axis operations, you need to create a simple drawing, generate a toolpath, and save it. Add a rectangle to the screen. Open the Contour 2D dialog page. Enter the parameters for the operation. We will enter a few important parameters here. For detailed explanations of the parameters on this page, please refer to the 2D Profile Machining page video. Select the tool. Define the type. Enter the Z heights. Enter the cutting speed and spindle speed. Use the Select Geometry command to create a toolpath for the rectangle we added to the screen. Right-click on the toolpath in the list and add it to the templates. These settings are permanently added to the template list under the specified name. You can delete unnecessary templates. You can back up the templates to disk and load a backup.